Hey everybody, it's me, your girl, Lady Kairyly, back with another video, guys, just for you. Just for you on my famous steps as usual. So today, what am I gonna be doing for you? You gotta watch to find out. Basically, what I'm doing is a Spanish dessert dish, and I've been wanting and I've been like craving it. I'm not pregnant, guys, but I've been wanting this dessert. So tune in to see which dessert I'm going to make. And welcome to all my newbies, and hello again, Lady Kairyly family. Let's get into this. Bye. Hey everybody, it's Lady Kairyly, your girl. Don't forget to show me some love and hit that subscribe button. Share away, tell your peoples about me, and turn on your post notifications bell on right now. Alright guys, first up, what you're going to do is wash that rice up really good. I do have medium grain rice, but I'm using a long grain because that's what I have extra. I have so much rice. So here we go. I'm gonna finish washing this up now. Next step, you're gonna add 3 cups of water, guys, and you're gonna add a little bit of salt, and you're gonna add some oil, and you're gonna set this on high. You're gonna set it on high. Wait till it starts boiling, and then you're gonna put the lid back on. Set it on low, maybe at 2, for setting about 20 to 25 minutes. We'll be back. All right, guys. So right now we're gonna go ahead and check on our rice, and we're gonna stir it. All right, let's stir this up. All right, so we're gonna get into this, and I'm gonna show you the ingredients that you're gonna need to make. What is this special dish that I'm gonna make for you guys? I am making arroz con leche. That means rice with milk. People sometimes call it arroz con dulce, whatever you want to call it. That's what I'm making. So I'm gonna make that. I already made the rice. Here we go. Have our beautiful white rice. You can either use long or medium, whatever rice you would prefer to use. So let's get into this. Also, I made it today, the rice, because I just wanted everything prepared for today. You can store your rice in the refrigerator airtight for 3 days before you start doing all this stuff. So get a pot. You're gonna need some milk. You're gonna need 2 cups of milk. You're gonna need sweet condensed milk, okay guys? You're gonna need some cinnamon, and you're gonna need some vanilla. These are the ingredients to make your arroz con leche, okay? So let's get this started. We're gonna put our rice in here, in this container, and let's get going with this. Let's do this magic. My goodness. Sorry guys. I was looking for something. But yes guys, like I said, I've been craving, this so bad, and I'm like, why not? We're at home. What else is there to do? Make food. That's what. So next step, what I'm gonna do, like I said, is we're gonna pour the milk. 2 cups, guys. 2. 1, 2. Inside here, into your rice. Also, you're gonna put your heat on your stove. Don't forget, you're gonna put it on medium heat. Okay, we're gonna let this simmer in there, cooking, stirring. We're gonna stir this for about 15 minutes, guys, until you start seeing it thicken. You're gonna lower the heat as well, stirring, and yeah, that's pretty much the concept of the arroz con leche or arroz con dulce. It's funny, guys, I don't really speak Spanish, but I'm Spanish. My family speaks Spanish and stuff. I understand it completely. I do, and I speak some of it, but maybe Spanglish. So next thing I'm gonna do is add the sweet condensed milk. Yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Oh my gosh. The smell of this, I don't know why. I'm a weirdo. Look at it. It looks so awesome. It just looks great in here. Next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1 teaspoon, this little baby right here, don't get it confused guys, of cinnamon into the pot. Oh my gosh guys, I'm a cinnamon fiend. Cinnamon. I love cinnamon. I can't get enough of it. Anything with cinnamon, it's a wrap. I'm gonna put that inside guys. I'm gonna show you the aftermath. So once you're gonna start mixing the products all together, the vanilla is gonna be the last step. And if you guys want to add raisins, you can certainly do so. I preferably don't want raisins inside of it, and I don't have any. Like I said, I'm at home, and I'm using what I have at home. So I'm gonna start stirring this now, guys. I'm gonna show you. All right, so look at that. This is the mixture, what I have. Oh my gosh guys, if you can smell the aromas in this, it smells freaking amazing. So cinnamony. It's gonna taste so bomb. This is the first time I'm making this, and I will put the link in the description so you can certainly make this as well if you're craving this or you just want to try it. So we're gonna let this, like I said, simmer. We're gonna continue stirring this baby up for about 15 minutes, and we're gonna let this thicken. And yes, we're gonna have some arroz con leche or arroz con dulce. So tune in. Okay, so you see how it is starting to boil up guys. We're gonna stir this, and now we're gonna put it lower. We're gonna put the heat a little bit lower, and we're gonna start stirring this now guys. Okay, and you see how it's getting a little bit thicker in the consistency. It's gonna look so good. It's gonna taste so good too guys. I can't wait. All right guys, so this is the consistency that I was talking about. This is the thickness, the juiciness. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add that vanilla, that 1 tablespoon into the mixture now. But yes, this is the mix of how it's looking. Okay, so let's add the vanilla in here now, and we're gonna stir it up as well. Okay. Oh my gosh guys, I can't wait to try this. I like mine cold, so I will be definitely putting it in the refrigerator for a little bit to have it cold. But oh my gosh, it is already smelling so good. I already tried a little sample, and it's, I think, a good win for me. Success. All right guys, so I'm so happy that you guys got to watch me make my famous arroz con leche or arroz con dulce. It tastes so good. This is it. I am so satisfied with it. It tastes amazing, and like I said, I am going to be putting the rest in the refrigerator, and I hope you guys do make this. Like, it's just bomb.com. Like, definitely make it. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, comment down below. I would love to hear all your feedback. Thanks again guys for watching my video. I hope you guys are staying home and staying safe out there. Try my recipe. Let me know if you do try it in the comments. I would love to know. And bye again, Lady Kairyly family. Peace.